The first volunteering I did was for an organization called Habitat for Humanity in America, and they build homes for people that don't have a house, and the people actually have to work on the house themselves as well, so they have to put in like 250 hours in order to build the house, but there's all sorts of volunteers. I probably volunteered off and on for about 9-10 months, so I'd do a little bit and then I'd go away, and then maybe the next week, and then maybe a month later, so it wasn't like every week or anything. But yeah, it was a really good experience, and what I really enjoyed about it and got out of it was learning to work with contractors, learning to work in the building trade, learning to see whether I liked being on a building site, and I learned all that. I got all that out of just volunteering on an irregular basis and kind of seeing what it was all about. I'd have to say that volunteering is such a good thing for people to do, because it gives you a chance to see what is actually the job entails, rather than just guessing that maybe I'd like to do that or maybe I'd like to do that. Volunteering actually gives you a first-hand chance to suss it out and see if you like it. But, because there's a lot of jobs that aren't for people, and it's a good chance to try that out.